Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you
How to do Discord polls.
and it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done.
To create polls using Carlbot on Discord, you'll need to follow these steps. If Carlbot isn't already added to your Discord server, you'll need to add it. You can't invite Carlbot by visiting the official Carlbot website and following the instructions provided there to authorize the bot for your server. Now, make sure Carlbot has the necessary permissions to create polls and send messages in the channels where you want to create polls. Once Carlbot is added to your server and configured with the appropriate permissions, you can use the iPoll command to create a poll. Here's a basic syntax. Your poll question, option 1, option 2, option 3. Replace your poll question with your actual question, option 1, option 2, etc. with the options you want to include in the poll like colors or emojis. So I choose colors. For example, which game should we play tonight? Question mark. Fortnite blue, Minecraft green, Among Us red. Then add the color indicating the option by clicking on Add Reaction. Then choose the colors given and the options. Once done, let's remove the unnecessary reaction. Just follow the prompts to remove these two reactions. Once the poll is created, members of your Discord server can then react to the poll options using Discord's built-in reactions feature. After members have voted on the poll, you can view the results by checking the reactions on the poll message. Carlbot will automatically tally the votes and display the results.
And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.